Welcome to our exploration of animal behavior in the dynamic and ever-changing landscapes of urban environments. In today's fast-paced world, cities are not just home to humans but also to a diverse array of wildlife species. From majestic birds soaring between skyscrapers to elusive mammals navigating bustling streets, urban environments present unique challenges and opportunities for animal life. As we delve into this fascinating topic, we'll uncover the remarkable adaptations that animals have developed to thrive in urban settings. From altering their foraging behaviors to navigating around human structures, these creatures have found ingenious ways to coexist with us in our concrete jungles. But it's not just about survival, it's also about the interactions between humans and wildlife in these urban jungles. Sometimes these interactions lead to conflicts, while other times they inspire awe and appreciation for the resilience of nature in the face of urbanization. So, join us on this journey as we unravel the mysteries of animal behavior in urban environments. Together, we'll gain a deeper understanding of the complex relationships between humans and the wild creatures that share our cities. Get ready to be amazed by the adaptability, intelligence, and sheer beauty of urban wildlife. In urban environment, there are three types of animals: native species, invasive species, and domestic species. Native species refer to the animals that have naturally inhabited a particular region or ecosystem for centuries. In urban environments, native species can include a wide variety of wildlife, ranging from birds and mammals to insects and reptiles. These animals have evolved to thrive in their native habitats, adapting to the unique challenges presented by urbanization. Understanding the behavior of native species in urban settings is crucial for conservation efforts and maintaining biodiversity within cities. Invasive species are non-native organisms that have been introduced to a new environment, often due to human activities such as trade and transportation. In urban environments, invasive species can pose significant challenges to native wildlife and ecosystems. These species often outcompete native animals for resources, disrupt natural habitats, and can even cause harm to human health and infrastructure. Effective management strategies are essential for controlling invasive species and minimizing their negative impacts on urban biodiversity. Domestic animals, such as dogs, cats, and livestock, are common inhabitants of urban environments worldwide. These animals have been domesticated by humans for various purposes, including companionship, work, and food production. In urban areas, domestic animals play diverse roles, from providing emotional support to their owners to contributing to urban agriculture initiatives. However, responsible pet ownership and management practices are necessary to ensure the well-being of domestic animals and mitigate potential conflicts with wildlife and other residents. Animals in urban settings display remarkable behavioral adaptations to navigate and thrive amidst human-dominated environments. One significant adaptation is seen in their foraging behavior, where many species have adjusted their diet and feeding habits to exploit available resources such as garbage bins and human food scraps. Additionally, urban wildlife often exhibits altered social structures, forming smaller groups, or adapting to solitary lifestyles to reduce competition and avoid conflicts with humans. Understanding these behavioral adaptations sheds light on how wildlife coexists with urbanization and helps inform conservation efforts in cities. Urban environments present unique challenges such as pollution and artificial light, prompting animals to develop physiological adaptations for survival. Many species have developed tolerance to pollution, with some demonstrating enhanced detoxification mechanisms to cope with pollutants in the air, water, and soil. Furthermore, animals have adjusted artificial light patterns, altering their circadian rhythms and activity periods to take advantage of nighttime food sources or avoid human disturbances. These physiological adaptations highlight the resilience of urban wildlife and underscore the importance of addressing environmental impacts on biodiversity in urban planning and management strategies. In urban areas, conflicts between humans and wildlife can arise due to various factors, including property damage and safety concerns. Wildlife may cause damage to property by foraging in gardens, nesting in buildings, or scavenging for food in garbage bins, leading to financial losses for homeowners and businesses. Additionally, safety concerns arise when encounters with wildlife pose risks to human health and safety, such as when aggressive animals threaten pets or pedestrians. Addressing these conflicts requires proactive measures to mitigate human-wildlife interactions and promote harmonious coexistence in urban environments. To foster coexistence between humans and wildlife in urban areas, innovative strategies are being implemented, including urban planning initiatives and education campaigns. Urban planning efforts aim to create wildlife-friendly habitats within cities by incorporating green spaces, wildlife corridors, and sustainable landscaping practices into urban design. These initiatives help maintain biodiversity and provide essential resources for urban wildlife while minimizing conflicts with humans. Furthermore, education and public awareness campaigns raise awareness about the importance of coexisting with wildlife and provide guidance on responsible behavior, such as securing trash bins and avoiding feeding wildlife. By implementing these coexistence strategies, urban communities can create a safer and more sustainable environment for both humans and wildlife alike. Studying urban bird behavior provides valuable insights into how avian species adapt to city life. One aspect of interest is their nesting habits, where birds demonstrate remarkable flexibility in selecting nesting sites, often utilizing human-made structures such as buildings, ledges, and streetlights. Understanding these nesting preferences helps conservationists implement measures to protect nesting sites and promote breeding success for urban bird populations. Additionally, researchers investigate urban bird feeding preferences, observing how birds exploit food sources such as discarded food scraps, bird feeders, and urban green spaces. By studying these feeding behaviors, scientists gain a better understanding of the ecological roles of birds in urban ecosystems and inform strategies for managing urban bird populations sustainably. Urban mammals exhibit fascinating behavioral patterns shaped by their interactions with human-dominated landscapes. Researchers study the roaming patterns of urban mammals to understand how they navigate through fragmented habitats and utilize urban green spaces for foraging and shelter. By tracking their movements, scientists can identify wildlife corridors and prioritize conservation efforts to enhance connectivity between fragmented habitats. Additionally, urban mammals interact with human infrastructure in various ways, from scavenging food in trash bins to navigating through roads and buildings. The future of urban animal behavior research is bright with the advent of cutting-edge technological advancements. Scientists now have access to a wide range of innovative tools and techniques that revolutionize data collection and analysis. For instance, GPS tracking devices and remote sensing technologies allow researchers to monitor animal movements and habitat use in real time, providing valuable insights into how urban wildlife navigate through complex urban landscapes. Furthermore, advances in bioacoustics and camera trapping enable researchers to study animal vocalizations and behaviors with unprecedented detail, shedding light on communication patterns and social interactions among urban wildlife. As urbanization continues to reshape the global landscape, scientists predict further changes in animal behavior in response to ongoing environmental transformations. One anticipated trend is the continued adaptation of wildlife to urban habitats, with certain species expanding their ranges into cities and adapting their behaviors to capitalize on urban resources. Additionally, researchers expect shifts in animal behavior patterns driven by climate change, such as alterations in migration timing, breeding seasons, and foraging behaviors. Moreover, the increasing integration of technology into urban environments is likely to influence animal behavior, with wildlife adapting to human-made structures and technologies in unexpected ways. Throughout this exploration of animal behavior in urban environments, we've uncovered fascinating insights into how wildlife adapts to and interacts with human-dominated landscapes. We've discussed the diversity of animals found in cities, ranging from native species to invasive and domestic animals. Additionally, we've delved into the behavioral and physiological adaptations that enable animals to thrive in urban settings, as well as the challenges and opportunities presented by human-wildlife interactions. Through case studies, we've highlighted the unique behaviors of urban birds and mammals, shedding light on their nesting habits, feeding preferences, roaming patterns, and interactions with human infrastructure. As urbanization continues to accelerate worldwide, ongoing research into urban animal behavior is more crucial than ever. Understanding how wildlife responds to urban environments is essential for effectively managing and conserving urban biodiversity. By studying animal behavior, researchers can develop evidence-based strategies for promoting coexistence between humans and wildlife, mitigating conflicts, and enhancing urban ecosystems' resilience to environmental changes. Furthermore, ongoing research provides valuable insights into the ecological roles of urban wildlife and informs sustainable urban planning and management practices that prioritize biodiversity conservation and human well-being. In conclusion, I encourage viewers to appreciate and coexist with the wildlife that shares our urban spaces. By adopting responsible behaviors such as reducing litter, securing trash bins, and avoiding feeding wildlife, we can minimize human-wildlife conflicts and create safer and healthier environments for both humans and animals. Additionally, I urge viewers to support ongoing research and conservation efforts aimed at understanding and protecting urban wildlife. Together, we can foster a deeper appreciation for the natural world and ensure that future generations inherit thriving and biodiverse urban ecosystems. Let's embrace the beauty and resilience of urban wildlife and work towards a harmonious coexistence in our cities.